holiday season is here. Buckle up because December is the most wonderful time of the year. All in one. Paskohan sa Panabo 2024. Stakeholders Forum on the showcasing of the Panabo City Market Complex. And the most awaited, simultaneous musical fireworks display at the Panabo City Baywalk and Panabo City Hall. All in one. On December 16, 2024. With Jason in town, Aila Santos with R2K Band, and many more exciting guests. And don't forget to visit the pop-up shops that will be installed in Panabo City Hall, Baywalk and Market Complex, with entertaining activities every night. Save the date!